you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.